Next presenter.
Thank you very much, Nicholas. Giorgashvili, the Ministry of Justice, will speak about dns.cloud.gov.ge. And before the computer shows everything on the screen, I want to say that we'll have only 5 minutes short a break to take coffee and then come back with the coffee, because otherwise we're lagging behind very much. Unfortunately, we can not be in the hall longer than envisaged. Nicholas Giorgashvili, I represent the Ministry of Justice, legal entity of public law, Smart Logic. I want to introduce one of the successful problems, which is the Gov.ge zone management automated systems. I'll start from the beginning and then I'll follow chronologically on how the project was developed. In the beginning, the project looked like that. In the beginning, very often the users who had to register their domain were requested to go through certain series of procedures. These procedures were supposed to be approved by the by high managers and high-level managers, and it was taking weeks. In addition, this procedure, if something was supposed to be changed, the similar route was necessary to be gone through, and it was very a lengthy process. So registration of more than one domain was the paid service for one organization. So we, the Smart Logic, decided to make this to work so that this process is automated. Our company has no financial interest in that. Our objective here is that the government structures use Gov.ge services in a very comfortable manner, and we want them to apply to us if they have any questions. Now I want to speak about the technical works already completed very briefly. In the beginning, we prepared the technical part. A business task was formulated and program support was developed. We migrated existing domains. We made a presentation in the form of the trainings that and all the information who had their domains already registered were supposed to get information from us on how to turn everything from the maze into the one button push system. So the system was transformed into the most simple process. So we explained them how to work in this simple interface, and we answered the questions they had. I want to very briefly explain and describe what the program is and how it works and what is the technical implementation of the program. First of all, the organization has to go through the registration process, and it is the most difficult procedure for the application of this service, because after the registration is finished, it will face no difficulties. It may add the domain, it may manage the existing domain, and it may do absolutely free of charge without any commercial interest from our side. In addition, I want to underline how protected and stable the service is. Today we're serving more than 100 organizations and more than 300 domains. And in closure, I have to say that that information technologies is the developing field, and it is as needed as development of human resources, and all our services and projects have to be developed continuously. We have to develop both human resources and technologies continuously, and we will offer very shortly to our government structures the second updated version of this program. This is all I wanted to say. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Thank you very much.